Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premier, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a mid-size SUV that perfectly balances luxury, performance, and Jeep's legendary off-road capability. First up, let's talk about what's new for 2024. While the Grand Cherokee largely carries over unchanged, the mid-range limited trim now boasts stunning 18-inch polished aluminum wheels, adding a touch of elegance to its rugged design. These wheels not only enhance the visual appeal but also contribute to a smoother ride and better handling. Jeep offers a wide range of trims starting from the base Laredo at $39,830 all the way up to the ultra-luxurious Summit Reserve at $68,835. But our top pick? The limited model. It offers a fantastic mix of features that cater to luxury and practicality. The limited trim comes standard with leather upholstery, a power-operated rear liftgate, heated front and rear seats, and a suite of tech features including a power-adjustable steering column and a digital rearview mirror. And if you opt for the Luxe Tech Group 2 package, you get even more: rain-sensing windshield wipers, a wireless phone charger, perforated leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, a 360-degree camera system, and front and rear parking sensors. Under the hood, most models are powered by a 293 HP, 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers smooth and reliable performance, making it perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. For the adventurers out there, the Trailhawk model is a dream come true. It features an adjustable air suspension with up to 11.3 inches of ground clearance and a disconnecting anti-roll bar for tackling the toughest terrains. Whether you're on a rocky trail or a muddy path, the Grand Cherokee is ready. In our tests, the V6-powered Summit model achieved a 0-60 mph time of 7.4 seconds, while the plug-in hybrid for XE, which we review separately, hit 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds. Need to tow? The Grand Cherokee has you covered with a maximum towing capacity of 6,200 pounds, outperforming many of its rivals like the Ford Edge and even the Jeep Wrangler. Whether it's a boat for your weekend getaway or a trailer for your cross-country adventure, the Grand Cherokee's robust towing capability ensures you can bring along everything you need. When it comes to fuel economy, the V6-powered Grand Cherokee delivers 19 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway with rear-wheel drive. Opt for all-wheel drive, and those numbers drop slightly to 18 mpg city and 25 mpg highway. The plug-in hybrid 4xe variant offers even better fuel efficiency with 23 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway, plus the added benefit of electric-only driving for short trips. Inside, the Grand Cherokee offers a modern and spacious cabin. From the base Laredo to the upscale Summit and Overland trims, you'll find premium materials and cutting-edge technology. High-end models like the Summit Reserve feature quilted leather upholstery, open-pore wood trim, and high-tech digital displays, elevating the interior to a level that can compete with luxury brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz. The Grand Cherokee offers ample cargo space, with 38 cubic feet behind the second row and even more when the rear seats are folded down, making it versatile enough for all your gear and groceries. Tech enthusiasts will love the infotainment options. Standard models come with either an 8.4 or 10.1-inch touchscreen featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and SiriusXM satellite radio. Higher-end models offer a digital gauge cluster, a head-up display, and even a 10.3-inch display embedded into the dashboard for use by the front seat passenger, ensuring everyone stays entertained and informed. And for audiophiles, the Grand Cherokee can be equipped with a high-end 19-speaker Macintosh audio system, delivering a concert-like experience on the go. Safety is paramount, and the Grand Cherokee is packed with driver assistance features. Standard offerings include automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Jeep's advanced safety suite also includes lane keeping assist and a semi-autonomous driving mode, providing an extra layer of protection and convenience on long drives. For more information about the Grand Cherokee's crash test results, Visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Although the Grand Cherokee has moved toward the premium end of the market, its standard warranty package has remained basic. It includes a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty and a 5-year or 6,000-mile powertrain warranty. Plus, Jeep offers 3 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance, while rivals like the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Santa Fe offer longer warranty terms. Jeep's coverage aligns with most other mainstream competitors like the Chevrolet Blazer and Ford Edge. In summary, the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a versatile and luxurious mid-size SUV that stays true to Jeep's adventurous spirit. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the great outdoors, it has the capability and comfort to make every drive extraordinary. Thanks for watching Crazy Auto Premiere. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and the latest in automotive news. See you next time!